What if your next pair of glasses could translate languages, answer questions, record your day, and even act like a personal AI assistant? In this video, we're counting down 20 incredible AI smart glasses that sound like science fiction, but you can actually buy them in 2026. ROG XREAL R1. The ROG XREAL R1 is built for people who want a premium mix of AI, gaming, and immersive visuals in one sleek pair of smart glasses. Featuring advanced display technology and intelligent features, it delivers a massive virtual screen for gaming, streaming, and productivity wherever you are. The lightweight design keeps it comfortable for long sessions, while the AI-powered experience makes everyday tasks feel faster and more interactive. If you want cutting-edge wearable tech, the ROG XREAL R1 is definitely one to watch in 2026. Lucid Reebok Smart Glasses. The Lucid Reebok Smart Glasses combine Reebok's sporty style with practical AI-powered features for everyday life. Built with open-ear audio, voice assistant support, hands-free calling, and music playback, they let you stay connected while remaining aware of your surroundings. The lightweight frame is designed for comfort during workouts, commuting, or daily wear. If you're looking for smart glasses that balance fitness, convenience, and modern technology without sacrificing style, the Lucid Reebok Smart Glasses are definitely worth a closer look. Edenlux Eyeary. Starting off the list is the Edenlux Eyeary, a stylish pair of AI smart glasses that blends everyday fashion with powerful technology. These glasses let you take hands-free photos and videos, answer calls, listen to music, and access voice AI without constantly reaching for your phone. With a lightweight design and all-day comfort, they're perfect for work, travel, or daily life. If you've been looking for smart glasses that look normal but pack impressive AI features, the Edenlux Eyeary is definitely worth checking out. NPS Envision. The NPS Envision AI smart glasses are designed to make everyday tasks smarter and more intuitive. Equipped with advanced AI capabilities, they can provide real-time information, voice assistance, navigation, and hands-free access to important notifications. Their lightweight, modern design makes them comfortable for extended wear, whether you're at work, traveling, or on the go. By combining practical features with a sleek appearance, the NPS Envision offers a glimpse into how AI-powered eyewear is shaping the future of wearable technology. VITURE Beast. The VITURE Beast takes AI smart glasses to the next level with an immersive display and powerful performance packed into a sleek, wearable design. Whether you're gaming, streaming movies, or getting work done, these glasses create the feeling of having a massive virtual screen right in front of your eyes. AI-powered features, crisp visuals, and a lightweight frame make them comfortable for extended use. If you're looking for a premium wearable that blends entertainment and productivity, the VITURE Beast is definitely one to watch. VIVE Eagle AI Glasses. The VIVE Eagle AI Glasses are designed to deliver a powerful mix of artificial intelligence and immersive wearable technology. Featuring AI-assisted voice controls, real-time navigation, smart notifications, and augmented reality capabilities, these glasses help you stay informed without taking your eyes off the world around you. Their lightweight frame makes them comfortable for daily use, while the advanced display technology creates a futuristic experience for work, travel, and entertainment. It's a glimpse of where next-generation smart eyewear is headed. Rokid AI Glasses Style. The Rokid AI Glasses style combine a sleek, everyday look with surprisingly powerful AI features. They can provide real-time language translation, voice assistance, navigation, and instant access to useful information, all through simple voice commands. Built for comfort, these lightweight glasses are designed to be worn throughout the day without feeling bulky. Whether you're traveling, working, or just exploring new technology, the Rokid AI Glasses style delivers a futuristic experience while still looking like a normal pair of stylish glasses. Meta Ray-Ban Display. The Meta Ray-Ban display combines the iconic Ray-Ban design with powerful AI features, making it one of the most exciting smart glasses available today. You can capture high-quality photos and videos, make hands-free calls, listen to music, and interact with an AI assistant using simple voice commands. The stylish frame looks just like a regular pair of sunglasses, but it's packed with smart technology. If you want premium AI eyewear that blends fashion, convenience, and everyday functionality, the Meta Ray-Ban display is hard to beat. Even Realities G2. The Even Realities G2 proves that smart glasses don't have to look futuristic to be powerful. With a clean, everyday design, these AI-powered glasses can display real-time notifications, navigation, translations, and helpful information right in your field of view. They're lightweight, comfortable, and built for all-day wear, making them ideal for work, travel, and daily use. If you want cutting-edge technology hidden inside a pair of stylish glasses, the Even Realities G2 is an impressive choice for 2026. Pickle One. The Pickle One is a unique AI smart glasses concept designed to make everyday life more connected and convenient. With built-in AI assistance, voice controls, real-time notifications, and hands-free access to essential information, it helps you stay productive without constantly checking your phone. Its lightweight, modern design makes it comfortable enough for all-day wear, while the smart features create a seamless experience whether you're commuting, working, or exploring new places. It's a fresh take on what AI wearables can become. RayNeo X3 Pro. The RayNeo X3 Pro is one of the most advanced AI smart glasses designed for people who want a true glimpse of the future. Packed with AI-powered features, these glasses offer real-time translation, voice assistance, navigation, and immersive augmented reality experiences. Despite the powerful technology inside, they maintain a sleek and lightweight design that's comfortable enough for everyday wear. Whether you're working, traveling, or exploring the latest tech, the RayNeo X3 Pro delivers a smart, futuristic experience that's hard to ignore. Nimo Glasses. The Nimo Glasses are designed for people who want to stay productive without carrying a laptop everywhere. These AI-powered smart glasses create a large virtual workspace, allowing you to view multiple screens, manage tasks, and collaborate from almost anywhere. Combined with voice controls and a lightweight design, they offer a hands-free computing experience that's perfect for remote work, travel, or everyday productivity. If mobile computing is the future, The Nimo glasses are already taking a big step in that direction. AInoon AI Smart Glasses. The AInoon AI Smart Glasses are built to bring the power of artificial intelligence into your everyday routine. With features like voice assistance, real-time translation, hands-free calling, music playback, and instant access to useful information, they help you stay connected without constantly reaching for your phone. Their lightweight, stylish design makes them comfortable enough for all-day wear, whether you're commuting, traveling, or working. If you're looking for affordable AI-powered eyewear with practical features, the AInoon AI Smart Glasses are a solid choice. INMO Air 3. The INMO Air 3 is a next-generation pair of AI-powered AR glasses designed to make digital information feel like part of the real world. With real-time translation, navigation, smart notifications, voice controls, and immersive augmented reality features, these glasses deliver a futuristic, hands-free experience. Despite the advanced technology, they're surprisingly lightweight and comfortable for everyday use. Whether you're traveling, working, or exploring the latest innovations, the INMO Air 3 shows just how far AI smart glasses have come in 2026. Everysight Maverick. The Everysight Maverick is designed for users who want smart performance without sacrificing comfort or style. These AI-powered glasses can display important information directly in your field of view, helping you stay connected while keeping your hands free. From navigation and notifications to fitness data and voice controls, they bring useful features into your everyday routine. With a lightweight frame and futuristic capabilities, the Everysight Maverick offers a smart wearable experience that feels both practical and ahead of its time. Qwen Glasses. The Qwen Glasses showcase how advanced AI can be integrated into everyday eyewear. Powered by intelligent voice interactions, real-time translations, smart navigation, and instant access to helpful information, they offer a seamless, hands-free experience. Their modern, lightweight design makes them comfortable for extended wear, while the AI features are built to boost productivity and convenience throughout the day. If you're curious about the next generation of wearable technology, the Qwen Glasses are definitely a product worth watching. ThirdEye SXR. The ThirdEye SXR is built for users who want powerful augmented reality and AI features in a professional-grade wearable. With a high-quality display, voice controls, real-time data, remote collaboration tools, and hands-free access to important information, these smart glasses are designed to boost productivity in both work and everyday scenarios. Despite their advanced capabilities, they remain comfortable enough for extended use. If you're looking for AI-powered eyewear that goes beyond entertainment, the ThirdEye SXR is an impressive option. DPVR G1. The DPVR G1 is a sleek wearable designed to deliver an immersive visual experience while keeping comfort a top priority. With its high-quality display, lightweight construction, and AI-enhanced features, it offers a virtual workspace that's perfect for streaming, productivity, and entertainment. Whether you're watching content on a giant virtual screen or exploring next-generation mixed reality experiences, the DPVR G1 makes everything feel more engaging. It's a great example of how AI and wearable technology continue to evolve in 2026. And that's our list of the most incredible AI smart glasses you won't believe exist in 2026. Which one was your favorite? And which pair would you actually wear every day? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest AI gadgets and future tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.